Hello everybody, this is Sergey Baklakov, my best regards from New York City. Now when I record this video, it's 5th of April 2017, almost 4 p.m. Because of the time difference in my homeland, in Russia, it is already 6th of April, my birthday. So technically I have birthday already now. And now I came here to this East River Pier to make myself a special, very special gift. I will take a ride at one of those helicopters. Will participate in what is called Classic Manhattan helicopter tour, and I'm really excited about that. Hello, girl. Oh my God. Right about the downtown of Manhattan.
Thank you guys.
Okay guys, that is definitely was one awesome helicopter ride through Manhattan from downtown to Midtown up to the Central Park. Was awesome, really awesome. Even better than on the top of the rock, because on the top of the rock you're like staying on the same place, but here you're flying like a bird, flying like a bird. Stay tuned and keep watching. Comment, like and subscribe if you're not yet. You know? Can you hear me?